What's going on YouTube? Austin back with Killshot's Geek Garage, and today's a special day because it kind of messed up my morning just a little bit. My car would not start, so obviously pretty good sign that it's a battery, but let's go on ahead and take a look and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's go on ahead and get in here and I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. So, get inside the vehicle and obviously you can see no lights, no nothing. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Oh. Yep, that's not a good sign. And then all my windows just rolled down magically. Oh, that's not a good sign. Well, obviously that was a real magical experience right there with all the windows just rolling down on us. So go on ahead and let's take a look at the battery, because that's kind of a self-explanatory thing that we're having an electrical issue. So let's get into it, see what's causing the issue, and we'll can dive deeper into it. Well, first things first, we're gonna try to charge the battery for a little bit, hopefully get somewhere with that and maybe get the car started and then just let it charge on its own. You know, I tried doing that this morning, didn't really do much of anything, but didn't really give it enough time to charge. So let me do this for a little bit and then we'll go on ahead and pull it out. Plus I got to get the windows rolled back up, just can't have them leaving down outside. So yeah, it's a good tell sign that it's the battery. Obviously, lights came back on the dashboard, and then you hit the key and boom, everything lights back up. So let's go on ahead and, you know, keep the battery charging a little bit. Maybe try to revive it so I can get it to the dealership, get it back, get a new battery slapped in it. If not, just go out, take it up to the dealership and bring one back. Alright, so we're gonna go on ahead and take out the battery, trying to charge it, you know, but we were only able to get the windows up. So all you're really going to need for this is like this one right here is a 3/8 inch ratchet and a 10mm socket, 10mm, 10, 10, 10, all the way around. You will have to dislodge this so that you can get some extra space to wiggle the battery on out, and it should come out at an angle. If you want, you can remove the air box and you can bring out the battery a little bit further out this direction to where you don't have to angle it as much to get it out, because you may hurt your hands or pinch your fingers whenever taking out this battery. So let's go on ahead and get started on doing this. Alright, so one of the telltale signs that, you know, we have a parasitic drain on our battery is corrosion. Obviously eating away at the terminal. You can see it's all right up inside of the taped area, so we're gonna have to take it off that tape, clean off that area, and then re-tape it and make sure none of the corrosion is left on that terminal. Alright, so we're gonna be replacing my old Superstar battery that I got from O'Reilly's with a Optima Red top. So let's go on ahead, get this baby popped in there, get it rocking and rolling. All right, so new battery's installed. Let's go on ahead and give it a shot. Crank her on up. Obviously opens, unlocks now. And moment of truth. Oh yeah. Sounds good to me. All right, so now that the car's up and running, we're gonna do a relearn process on the windows. Pretty easy in the STs. On these ones, hold down the buttons all the way down, all 4 of them. You can either do it individually or at the same time. Then you'll hear a click, and then hold them all up like this at the same time. And then you'll hear them click again. And your automatic roll down and roll up features will work on each and every single one of your windows. Well, there you have it. That's replacing your battery on a 2014 Focus ST. Usually it's pretty simple on almost any kind of vehicle. Most of them are under the hood. Sometimes you get like some of the Chevys that are in the fender. Mercedes, they're underneath the seats. But usually you run into them. It's either going to be an 8mm, a 10mm, possibly a 13 or a 12, depending on if you have the brackets that are on the bottom of the battery. So pretty easy little quick thing to do on your vehicle as well, you know. And also, if you don't feel confident in it, go get professional help. Take it to a shop, take it to any local dealership or anywhere you feel confident that can get it done correctly for you. So I appreciate y'all watching. Keep updated with the channel. Please like and subscribe to this video so we can get more content up and running. And if you have anything you want covered, let me know and I'll go on ahead and make a video about it. Now I'll see you next time.